Hey guys, good morning. I woke up around 7 this morning, which I usually is like my timing to get up. But after working for an hour or two, I just go back to sleep again because मुझे मॉर्निंग में थोड़ा बहुत प्रोडक्टिव लगता है लाइक थोड़ा बहुत नहीं बहुत ज़्यादा एक्चुअली में वो एनर्जी बहुत अच्छी होती है तो मैं उठती हूँ थोड़ा काम करती हूँ फिर सो जाती हूँ yeah, that's me. And yeah, so I am shooting this a day in my life vlog today, which I have never done before. But I thought it might can be very fun showing you guys what all I do. It's not that fancy, but it's like everyday things that I do. जो भी मैं सब करती हूँ मैंने सब बताया ऐसा कुछ भी एड अप नहीं किया है एंड सो लेट मी टेक यू थ्रू इट आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड आई हैव नेवर डन दिस बिफोर बट अब मेरी पूरी नींद खुल चुकी है मैं अब जाऊंगी जिम सो लेट्स गो
Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
So now I'm gonna be shooting something. Basically, I have this thought in my mind where I will be shooting. I'll be wearing three shirts in one reel, and it's going to be like the most amazing look that I've created till yet. And people on my Instagram like are actually loving it, so we'll be doing that. And thank you. Are all my stuff. These are my jewelry. This is my new watch from Casio. Taking care of yourself is so important. It is the way to spiritual, mental, and physical transformation. I have seen that myself. And now, if I don't take care of myself, I feel exhausted. I don't need nobody but you. Being around kids is so satisfying. If you know me, you know how much I love being around kids. It just makes me feel like I'm a child again. And she is a complete mood changer for me. And as I come from Sindhi family, it's very tough for me to maintain my diet. That's why once in a while, like once in a day, I cook for myself so that I can maintain it. And today I'm cooking this mushroom ki sabzi. This is so yum. And I am done with my day. I actually have not recorded each and everything, but as much as I can as I was shooting for the first time. I don't do much during night. I just chill because I feel the most productive during day. And right now my major focus is to change my habits, my diet, and just to become the best version of myself. And there are times when it gets boring, but I feel that it's okay because I am figuring it out right now. We all are. Every day, I'm just taking one step forward because I have done this before, like thinking about what I want to do and not doing it. And that scares me the most. And as I'm not from a metro city, I have to keep on traveling to other cities for work. And that is truly exciting. But I appreciate the days when I'm just working on myself. Hi, I hope you like this video. So my intention was just to tell you how simple my days are, and because I even used to think that everyone is living the fancy life, but I think we all are living in simplicity where we are doing all the things that we do in a day on a daily basis, and we are just trying to progress on a daily basis. You just saw what all I do in a day: gymming, spending time with my family, creating content, praying, reading book. So I just try to do all the things that I really want to do. Hope you like the video, you like got some help sort of it, because I even shared my whole workout routine with you guys, which I will be keep on sharing no matter what happens, because working out is like a major part of my day. Wanna watch more of me, so subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.